Welcome to this mindful walking meditation with Katie from KDB Energy. In the next 10 minutes, we will slow down, reconnect, and embrace the fresh, renewing energy of spring. As you listen, I encourage you just to keep the volume low so that you can still hear and engage with your surroundings. This meditation is not about blocking anything out, about tuning in, noticing what is present, and allowing yourself to fully experience this moment. So before we begin walking with awareness, take a moment to set an intention for this practice. What do you want to take away from this walk? Maybe you'd like to feel more calm, more grounded, or simply more in tune with yourself and nature. So there is no right or wrong answer, just a gentle focus to carry with you as we move. So let's begin by bringing awareness to how you're holding your body. Stand tall, as if you are being gently lifted from the top of your head. Just feel your spine lengthen, creating space in your body. Let your shoulders soften and drop away from your ears. Allow your arms to swing naturally with each step. Notice the sensation of your feet meeting the ground. With every step, feel the gentle rolling from heel to toe. Be aware of how your weight shifts from one foot to the other. Try to walk with ease, without rushing. Imagine each step grounding you, connecting you deeper with the earth beneath you. As you continue walking, let's awaken the senses one by one, allowing yourself to be fully present in this experience. Without forcing your gaze, take in what's around you. Notice the colours of spring, the greens of new leaves, the soft pastels of blooming flowers, the golden warmth of the sunlight filtering through the trees. Instead of labeling what you see, just simply observe. Bring your awareness to the sounds around you. The birds singing in the distance, the rustling of leaves, the hum of life around you. Even the sound of your own footsteps is part of this movement. Let yourself be immersed in this symphony of nature. Notice the feeling of the air against your skin. Is it cool and crisp, or warm with the promise of spring? Feel your clothes move with each step, the gentle resistance of the ground beneath your feet. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Can you pick up the fresh scent of the earth after rain? The faint fragrance of blossoms in the air? Breathe it in fully, letting the scents of spring refresh and energize you. As you walk, ask yourself, what do I notice right now? What is different about this moment compared to when I first started? Now let's focus on the breath. Begin by taking a deep breath in through your nose, filling your lungs completely. Feel the fresh, positive energy of spring entering your body. Hold it for a moment, and now exhale slowly through your mouth, letting go of any tension or stress. Let's do that again. Inhale deeply, feel the expansion, and exhale, releasing anything that no longer serves you. As you continue to walk, let your breath find a natural rhythm. Let it flow easily and effortlessly, in sync with your steps. With each inhale, imagine yourself drawing in new energy, inspiration, and clarity. With each exhale, release fatigue, worry, or anything weighing you down. Notice how your body responds to this simple act of breathing with awareness. Now, as you continue walking, try to keep your attention within your body. If your mind starts to wander, thinking about what's next, going over to-do lists, or revisiting the past, gently bring it back to the present. There's no need to force anything. Just guide your focus back to the feeling of your steps, your breath, and the world around you. Remember, there is no way to do this wrong. Simply noticing is enough. Let's try something together. Imagine that with each step forward, you are stepping into clarity and ease. And with each step behind you, you're leaving behind stress, doubt, or heaviness. Step forward into lightness. Step forward into presence. Step forward into renewal. As we walk, let's take a moment to invite in self-kindness and compassion. Sometimes when we're moving through busy seasons of life, we forget to offer ourselves the same gentleness we give to others. Take a breath and repeat these affirmations in your mind or say them out loud. I am present and I am enough in this moment. I give myself permission to slow down and just be. I welcome fresh energy and new possibilities into my life. I am grounded, supported, and connected. Take a deep breath in, letting these words settle. And exhale, releasing any tension or self-judgment. As we near the end of this meditation, take a moment to reflect on how you feel now compared to when you began. What do you notice? Is there more lightness in your steps? More ease in your breath? More clarity in your mind? There is no need to rush back into the busyness of the day. Carry this sense of presence with you. Let this walk be a reminder that you can always return to yourself, no matter how busy life gets. Before we part, take one last deep breath in, and as you exhale, silently thank yourself for taking this time. Thank you for walking with me today. Wishing you lightness, energy, and the joy of spring.